Hello everyone, I'm teacher Richard. Many people, especially new Chinese learners, do not know how to use my channel to learn Chinese. So today I'll tell you how to do it, and you can try it. As long as you can understand Pinyin, then it's good to learn Chinese from me. Use my channel basically step by step from HSK level 1. Okay, let's see here. Go to the playlist. And my advice for basic learners is you can get started from HSK level 1, and this is old HSK. Why I recommend you using this folder? Because it's easier. Then it's complete because new HSK level 1 is still ongoing. It hasn't finished yet. So my advice for basic learners is study old HSK level 1 first. And once you finish this folder, you can either go to new HSK level 1 folder here. Okay, new HSK level 1 here, and continue to study HSK level 1. But if you don't want to study HSK level 1 anymore, you can go to Master HSK level 2. Okay, here, Master HSK level 2, old HSK. This is taught in English as well, and you can understand them very easily. If you want to challenge yourself into whole Chinese lessons, then my advice for you is to watch new HSK level 2 videos, because new HSK 2 videos are taught in whole Chinese. And you can challenge yourself to see if your Chinese listening is good enough to understand these videos. And after that, I think you can study one level by one level. So for the beginners, I think you can start it from old HSK level 1. And then you can either choose new HSK level 1 or old HSK level 2. They're both taught in English. And after that, if you think you can challenge yourself with whole Chinese classes, then you can go to new HSK level 2 folders. Once you are used to whole Chinese lessons, then you can study level by level.